Hello, my name's Martin Fish and I'd like to talk to you about one of the new mowers in the Cobra VX range, and this is a rotary mower. It's a rear roller, so it leaves a good stripe on the lawn, and it's got a 20-inch cut which is about 51 centimetres, so ideal for medium to larger lawns, and it really is a very easy machine to work. It's powered by two 40-volt batteries that live in this compartment just here, so it needs the full 80 volts to be able to work. So it comes supplied with two 40-volt Max Plus batteries and two chargers as well, although it needs 80 volts to cut the grass, so you have to use both of these at the same time. And they have intelligent cell technology, ICT, which optimizes the power of the battery, just gives longer life and better running. So for example, if the grass is a little bit long, these will deliver that little bit more power, then drop it down again when the grass is shorter. So really clever batteries, and these live in the back, this compartment just here. So there are two slots, so we just have to put them both in and click them firmly into place. They have got an indicator on the back as well, so we can also check the amount of power in the batteries by pushing the button there. So I'm just going to click those into place there. So the rest of the mower, we've got this very strong metal deck there, which has got the 20-inch diameter, so it makes a really good job of cutting. It's strong and it's robust. And then at the side here, we can alter the height of cut. So on the lowest cut, the height of cut is 17 millimeters, and we can take it up through 6 positions to 75 millimeters there. So you can get that perfect finish on your lawn. But for now, we'll just put it about halfway like that. The grass is collected in this large bag here, which simply hooks on and off, so it really is easy. There's 2 springs that it hooks onto, and this holds a massive 70 litres of grass cutting, so you don't have to empty it too often. The mower itself can be stored. You can fold the handles down like this if you want to, and they just simply fold over like that. So it takes up less space in your garage, shed. You can even get it into the back of a large car if you wanted. And if you take the grass box off, that makes it even more compact. And to lock them into position is very simple. We just twist those back like that and hold those nice and tight like that. And this one just here. So pull those in to position, and they're firm and not going anywhere at all. And then we've got the controls on the handlebar. So we've got 2 levers and a button. So in order to start the motor and to get the blades going, we push the red button with one hand and at the same time pull back the red lever, and that starts the blades going, and you'll hear the motor start. So lots of power there. And then this lever at the back, the black one, is the self-drive. So this mower is self-propelled. So when we want to move forward, instead of having to push it, we just push this lever and off it goes. So it makes really light work of mowing your lawn. So it's a great mower. So what we'll do now is do a little bit of mowing. So let's give it a go. And there you have it. This is the largest rotary mower with a rear roller in the Cobra VX range. It makes a great job of the lawn. It's very easy to use, and it leaves a wonderful stripe. For more information on the VX range or any of the Cobra products, go to cobragarden.co.uk.